Hey guys, in this video we are going to make a C++ program using do while loop. In this program, the program will be asking you to input a number, and once we type 0, the program will end and will give the output of the sum of the numbers we have typed till then. Okay, so let us make a new C++ program. Let us write do while example.cpp hash include io stream using namespace std int main float. Will be declaring a float number and a sum which will be initially having a value of 0, 0.0. Now let us try the do loop. Inside the do loop will be having a cout enter number send number. Okay, once we write that number, let us write the loop body, which will be sum plus equal to number, which means sum will be equal to sum plus number. Now the condition will be while loop, and the condition number should not be equal to 0. Till then it will be running the loop. Okay, now once the loop ends, we will print that sum till now is okay. Let us save it. Okay, now let us run this program. As you can see here, it is asking to enter, the terminal is asking us to enter a number. Let us type 1, sorry, another number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let us type 0, so that sum till now is 45. We can also physically verify this the sum, cos 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 21, 28, 36, 45. So the answer is correct and our program is working well. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood my program. I'll see you in the coming videos, and if you like these videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, because it will become an encouragement for me. Thank you.